Hey guys, and in this video, I will be doing a 2x2 Ortega walkthrough solve average of 12. Now I already did do a video on 3x3 walkthrough solves, so you can check out that video. The link to it will be in the description. Now in 2x2, I average about 6 seconds, maybe a little bit better than that. So I'm moderately fast. I could be a little bit faster, I think. But if you're trying to break that 6-second barrier, or even that 7-second barrier, then this tutorial would be good for you. So let's go ahead and get started. These scrambles that I have provided will be in the description. Okay, so to start off with here, I would notice the orange bar, and then find the orange pieces that could easily go on this to make the orange face. I would see this piece and this piece, so I'd bring this piece up, and I would go ahead and bring this one over, like that. And so I have this OLL case, I don't know the name of them, and so then I have this ZBLL case, or PBLL case, and I've solved the 2x2. So for this second walkthrough solve, I would notice right away, we have this bar right here, and we have this bar. Now it looks like green would be the easiest since we have this piece in the bottom layer here. So I'd go with that. All we have to do for the green is bring this piece up and go ahead and put this one in here. Like that. So for next here we have blue. You can go ahead and do that OLL algorithm. We have this PB algorithm case. So did that. And we have done our second walkthrough solve. Alright, so for number 3 here, first off I would notice the green bar. And I would notice where the green pieces are. So we have these two. This one could easily go up right here. And then this one could go here. So we've completed our first layer. We have this OLL case. And then we have this PBLL case. So we have completed our third 2x2 walkthrough solve. Alright, number 4. We have 3 of the 4 white pieces solved. I would look for the last one, but it's on the bottom, so that requires a lot more moves. So I go ahead and look for the other bars. We have green here, but it has the other 2 pieces on the bottom, so I would not really do that one. And lastly here we have yellow. And it looks like I would do yellow, because when I rotate this piece up, this one just has to be inserted here. Then we have this OLL. We have the R2B2 R2 PBL algorithm. So that is for our 4th walkthrough solve. Alright, number 5 here. The only good option, as I can see it right now, is going to be yellow, because there are no other bars on the cube. So I'd go ahead and do yellow first. We could just bring this piece up. And lastly we have this one. Let's bring over like that. So next we have this OLL case. And we have this PBLL case. So that is it for our 5th walkthrough solve. Okay, so for number 6 here, we have quite a few options here. We have white, red, and blue. Which yellow could be an option, but there's only 2 pieces solved on it, so I probably wouldn't do that one. So for blue here, I'd probably just pick a color because they're practically all the same. So I would just go ahead and do blue. So blue, all we have to do is get it up here, just to do a U2 and insert it. So we have this OLL case for green. And we have a PLL skip. So that's it for our 6th walkthrough solve. Number 7. Most likely here I would end up doing orange, because it has 3 pieces solved already. So I'd go ahead and start off with that. Insert it. For the red we have this OLL case. And then lastly we have this PBLL case. So that is it for our 7th walkthrough solve. For number 8, we have white is the best option here. All I'd have to do is bring this layer up, do a U2 and bring it back. So we have this OLL case for yellow. And we can just go ahead and do this PBL. So that is it for our 8th walkthrough solve. Number 9. I would do blue here because blue has 3 of the 4 pieces solved. So all we have to do is just bring this layer up, U2, and bring it back. We have this OLL case for green. And we can finish up with this PBL case. So there we have it with our 9th walkthrough solve. Alright, number 10. There's quite a few options here. Looks like I'd do white again, because all we have to do is bring this piece up, and then insert this one. So now for OLL, we have this OLL case. We finish that with the PBLL. So there we have our 10th walkthrough solve. 2 more to go. Okay, so for number 11 here, again, we have a couple options, red and blue. Now let's see, which should be the easiest to solve first. It looks like red is going to be the easiest. So we can bring this red piece up, and then we can go ahead and do a U2 and insert this one. So we have this PLL, OLL for the orange, and then this PBLL algorithm here. So that's it for our 11th walkthrough solve. Our final walkthrough solve here is a little bit harder. We have orange is the only option that would make much sense to solve first. So the easiest way to get this done in the fewest moves is to go ahead and do an L2. Bring this one over and move this pair back. So for the red we have the soon algorithm. And then we can go ahead and finish up with this PBLL. So that is it for our final walkthrough solve. Okay, so that's about it for the 2x2 Ortega method walkthrough solves, average of 12. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button down below, and please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it.